Question 7. Which of the following properties of atoms generally increases down the group in the periodic table? A. Atomic radius. B. Ionization energy. C. Electron affinity. D. Electronegativity. The correct answer is A. Atomic radius. Explanation: as you go down a group in the periodic table, each new element adds a shell. The more shells you have, the more size you become. So the atoms get bigger and bigger. It's just like stacking blocks on a building. If you are building a house, the more you stack the blocks on top of each other, the taller the building becomes.